Hello everyone. Today, we'll review the best reminder apps available for iPhone and Android devices. 1. To-Do Reminder App. Best for timely reminders, this app extensively reminds you of tasks to execute without running out of time. It's perfect for individuals with fixed schedules. Key features include quick and easy to use, speech-to-text function, advanced alerts for reminders, support contact for navigation issues. 2. To-Do List Schedule Planner App. Best for planning schedules, this app is a practical task tracker and time manager. Key features include generates to-do lists and tracks tasks, synchronizes with schedules, backup function to prevent data loss, compatible with all Android software versions. 3. Galorm App. Best for alarms and reminders, this app features an alarm clock, arm, and innovative features to complete tasks before deadlines. Key features include various repetitions and ringtones, multiple alarm functions, free cloud storage, doesn't share data with third parties. Our top pick is the To-Do Reminder app. We love its simplicity, ease of use, and text-to-speech functions. Thanks for watching.